Hello, this is Rishad Khondker, and I will be doing the linearizing tutorial for the acceleration of gravity. Here's the worksheet with the experiment on it. Over there is my data that I got when I did the experiment. The goal of the experiment is to find the acceleration of gravity on a steel sphere. If you need it, here's the setup for the experiment. So it's already graphed for you if you're using the yellow worksheet, but this is what you get when you plot the points you get from the experiment. So for part A, it asks you to sketch a smooth curve that best represents a student's data, and this is what it looks like. As we learned earlier in the year, the acceleration is the slope of a distance time graph, and that's what we're looking for. As you can probably tell, it's easier to find the slope of a line than it is of a curve. So that's why we're going to linearize our data. So step one is to get the equation into y equals mx plus b form. After doing that, we can see that the independent variable is the distance, or x, and the dependent variable is time, or t. So now you want to calculate the 2 points. The way I did this is I just squared all the times values. So now you want to graph all the new points that you got. Next, you want to draw the best fit line. The guidelines that all the AP graders and Mr. Clarion uses is that the line must represent your data, the line must represent a straight line, and the line must have as many points as above or below the line. So next, what do we need from this graph? So we're trying to find the acceleration of gravity on the ball. Remember that acceleration is the slope from a distance time graph, so we need to find the slope of the line. So now all you have to do is solve for the slope. You want to take points from your best fit line to solve for the slope, and you can use points from your data table if that coincidentally falls on your best fit lines. Otherwise, you'll have to use those. And don't forget to write the units. And 9.8 is the answer that I got from using my points. And yeah, that's it. Hope that helped.